So I heard from Tomas, the Pacific Challenger 2, that the restoration is underway. They removed her boiler tooth for replacement, so I'm excited. Cannot wait for the restoration to be complete. Hopefully they open the shop so I can see it. So bad I want to see my own sister. Love 3985. Cannot wait to see you on the rails once more. And hope I see you really, really, really soon. I'm gonna be sad because you have no idea how long I've wanted to see this Challenger up in person. To Tomasini Pacific Challenger 3092. Can't wait for this restoration to be complete in the very near future. Go UP 3985, roll on.